Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous looking 2008 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI police pursuit vehicle from the city of Montebello, California. It is a California car, so there is no rust on this bad boy whatsoever. Original black from factory. Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. It is original paint, so yes, she does have scratches, but nothing big or major to worry about. She does have 68,000 miles with only 369 idle hours. This was a sergeant's vehicle, so I don't think she got to see a lot of action. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed. It does have tinted windows from that department. Rear only. It appears to be like a medium shade. No tint on the front windows. I do have one hole on the trunk lid where that actual antenna is. Folks, as we are walking around the vehicle, you will notice that I do have some decal residue on the paint. You can kind of see it right there. My detail crew, they did a whole lot of cleaning on this vehicle, and they did what they could, and I didn't want them to do too much because I didn't want to push it. So they did what they could, but the whole vehicle cleaned up really, really good. All four wheels have been reconditioned, repainted, so they were brought back to new condition. So they do look new. There will be a couple of paint peeling here and there from when the decals were removed. The blades were put in a little bit too much, and that caused the paint to come up a little bit. Some scratches here, once again, when they were removing the decals. You can kind of see it right there. Again, folks, I'm trying to tell you everything there is to know about these vehicles. Some other little touches right there. Once again, these are from the blade when they were removing the decals. Okay, when I saw the car, it was black on black, and it had the police decals all along the doors. No light bars, so it was like a slicked up vehicle pretty much. Vehicle does have equipment, so I must say this to make it clear and to be legal. Vehicle does have equipment. It does have red and blue lights, siren, PA system, air horn, wig wax, flashers, and the rear tail light flashers as well. We'll get to those in a minute. Once again, this vehicle will only and can only be sold to any government agency, police, fire, maybe security, and out of the country. Okay? So there you go. I said it. No civilian will be allowed to buy this vehicle. I do have about maybe 3 door dings, and they're just on the driver's side of the vehicle. They're there. You can hardly see them, but they're there. It is my job to let you know. Let's go inside real quick. Folks, as you can see, the whole car has been detailed. I do have a matching interior, vinyl flooring. Okay, rear door locks are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Those are the steel wheels. They're fully reconditioned. Let me clean this up a little bit here for you guys. Oh, well, I didn't get it. There it is. City of Montebello. It will also be on my ad on eBay. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I do have a comfortable front driver's side seat, passenger side seat. Same thing. I do have a what it appears to be an original manufacturer center console. Again, this was a sergeant's vehicle, so this came with it. There's gonna be a hole missing right there. I went ahead and ordered some ABC molded plastic, so I can go ahead and cut it and cover the hole right there. So hopefully by the time the car sells, I will go ahead and take care of that for you. Okay. Perfect dash. All right, here we go. Perfect dash. Car does have two keys. Once again, folks, don't worry about this. I'm gonna have discovered there's nothing there that will damage the vehicle in any kind of way, shape, or form. If you guys can see that I do have the microphone here for the PA system. Okay, let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are off. Let's see if I can get to zoom in over here real quick. 67,000 miles. Let's go ahead and run that up to 68. Once again, the vehicle has been completely serviced and it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever.
Put you in a certain place at the right time.
I do have new, sorry for my neighbor there. I do have new LED spotlight bulbs. They're pretty bright. They are new. I replaced the ones that the car came with. They were pretty yellowish, so I put new ones on this one. White LED, red LED. Folks, once again, excuse my my neighbor there.
Just know that it can be replaced by joy and grace like you've never known.
Let's go ahead and go under the hood and go through the services with you. I have a lot of ground to cover here, folks. Stay tuned for these switches here. Oh, sorry. Stay tuned for these switches here. I'll let you know what the functionality of those are. Let me go ahead and zoom out again. Sorry there for the blurriness. You can kind of see some decals right there from where it said Montebello. Once again, my guys took a lot of it off, but I didn't want them to overdo it, so I told them not to worry about it. Who knows, the car may go to a security company and they're gonna put their own logos, so there you go. I do have a new set of OEM headlights. The ones that the car came with, they were pretty oxidated, and guys, those of you that follow me, you know I don't like to waste my time with those because they will go back to yellow. I got one little hard spot here where the paint kind of just went white. The clear kind of went out. It's not very noticeable, but it, once again, is there. Okay, bear with me here real quick. I have to hold the camera and the hood at the same time, so sorry about that, guys. Engine has been completely detailed, nice and clean. Once again, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, has been serviced, and it's ready to go. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. I do have fresh engine oil, 530. Transmission service was done. Mopar ATF plus 4. It took about 6.3 quarts. Filtering kit, of course. Spark plugs, you know, I did have them checked. They looked okay, so I went ahead and left us alone. Okay, it's got a new Gates belt. It does have new rear brakes. Front brakes were about maybe 70%, so I went ahead and left those alone. Nice and cold air conditioner. This vehicle here, she's fast and she is strong. Oops. There you go. She is strong. For those of us that are familiar with the 5.7 HEMIs, you guys already know what you guys are asking. Okay, guys. Now let's go back to the switch. Remember when I told you that the vehicle does have lights and siren? I'm not gonna activate the siren or the air horn because I don't want to panic my customers. It's got 2 clicks. Right here all the way to 2 clicks. Right here all the way to the left. It's an off position. 1 click. Come to the back. 1 click to the right will activate the strobes. Now if we go third click to the right, it will activate all the flashes on the vehicle in the back. You get the flashbacks and the taillights, the strobes. Sorry for the blurriness, guys, but I gotta keep cleaning this up. And this is the front, guys. I'm not gonna activate the air horn or the siren because I don't want to panic my customers. So right there is off. This little switch right here is for the air horn, and also when the siren is engaged, you can switch tones by pressing that button. Okay, now I think I just about covered it all. On this one, I went past my 10th minutes. I do apologize for that. One last final look as the clock is ticking, and I do gotta go. All right, folks, once again, this is gonna be a 2008 68,000 miles from the city of Montebello, California. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, does have emergency equipment, so I have to sell this vehicle. I'm sorry, no civilians will be able to buy this vehicle. Okay, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. The clock is ticking. I gotta go. I hope you had a great weekend. God bless. Thank you for watching and take care.